How to do fake alert transfer in Opay. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important topic: how to recognize and avoid fake transfer scams on Opay. With the rise of digital payment apps, it's crucial to be aware of scams that could be potentially harm you. So let's dive into how you can protect yourself and avoid falling victim to fake transfer. Scammers use various methods to create fake alerts. Some might use screenshot tools to capture a fake payment confirmation, while others might use fake websites or apps to generate convincing fake transaction alerts. These fake alerts can appear to come directly from Opay, but they are actually just images or forged notifications. So, how can you tell if an alert is fake? Here are some red flags to look out for. The alert appears too quickly after you've made a deal or transaction. The transfer amount looks suspiciously perfect, like an exact amount with no decimals. The sender's name is missing or looks suspicious. The notification might look slightly different from the official Opay design. You receive a transfer notification, but the sender hasn't confirmed the transaction with you directly. Now, if you receive a transfer alert, always double check it within the Opay app. Simply open your Opay app and go to transaction history or payment history and verify the transaction details. If you don't see the payment listed or if the transaction doesn't match what the sender is claiming, it's likely a fake alert. So, what are the few things that you need to do to protect yourself from scams? Always double check transaction details before acting. Never share your account details, PIN or sensitive information with anyone. Also enable two-factor authentication for added security on your account. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned some important tips on how to avoid falling victim to fake transfer scams on Opay.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.